Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another video. Today we will talk about a few SEO trends that you must follow in order to rank your videos on the first page of Google's search engine results page. Google has been an intrinsic part of our lives for the last 10 years at least, and ranking high on Google is still one of the biggest challenges. The competition of ranking on Google is at an all-time high. It was also reported that 2.75 million posts get published every day on WordPress alone. Then comes the tricky part of understanding Google algorithms. We have to modify our ways of optimizing SEO across the web pages because there are continuous changes in search trends and algorithms. However, the core principles of SEO remain the same. Google is always at the forefront of helping you find the closest possible search results to your query. Search engine algorithms are always improving, so you should explore SEO trends in more depth. These strategies will help you dominate Google in 2022 if implemented accurately. Leverage long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are a type of target keyword that is more specific and a bit longer. Long-tail keywords aren't as popular as short ones, but they do offer some advantages because they let you know what users are really looking for. An example of a long-tail keyword is best running shoes for winter. This is opposed to a short-tail keyword such as running shoes. Long-tail keywords tend to be less competitive, so if your website isn't ranking at all for high-volume search queries, it can make sense to start exploring long-tail keywords. This will make you rank faster. Using keywords in alt text for images. Alt text or alternative text is a short copy that is used to describe an image. The main purposes of alt text are search engine optimization, context, and accessibility. When you add alt text to images on your site, it improves user experience and even boosts your Google search rankings. When images become too large to appear on the screen, their alt text is displayed instead. Even though technology has improved a lot in the past few years, web crawlers cannot see the images on the screen like us. It checks the alt text to detect images. Therefore, it's necessary to optimize your website by including the alt text feature in order to rank your website. Alt text ensures an accessible web design. The primary feature of alt text is to describe the images to visitors who are unable to view them. Not only does it help screen readers and browsers to understand the visuals, but also helps the visually impaired people to get a description of the images on the website. When your website becomes more accessible to other people, Google's algorithms rank it higher on the search engines. Diverse media types. When your website has a perfect balance of media, people tend to engage more with it. Don't just stick to one type of media. Try to incorporate your website with audio, video, and GIF files along with static images. You don't need to put all the files on one page and overwhelm your visitor, but you can try out a few combinations of different media types that go well with your website and engage your audience. People will spend more time on your website if you have a good balance of media types. All these factors increase the dwell time on your website, which will lead to a higher rank on the search engines. The next way to boost your rank is to get rid of spammy backlinks. Backlinks have always been a key factor in search engine optimization, and now they're just one part of the equation. The quality of backlinks that you'll get is more important than ever before, which is why sometimes it's smarter to focus on link building techniques that use compelling content. There will be people who ask you to put links to their site on your website in exchange for a monetary value. If you own a website for any amount of time, I'm sure it has happened to you numerous times already. You can't just draw on any source for backlinking. You need to do your research to find websites that have good SEO practices for linking purposes. This includes the sites you're linking to, as well as the sites linking to your content. In order to know what sites you're linking to, you can use backlink checker tools to gauge the quality of the websites. If you keep these points in mind, your website will definitely rank higher on the Google search engine results page. The EAT score. The EAT is the acronym for expertise, authority, and trust. This is one of the most important scores which determines your website's or blog's credibility in order to rank it higher. In order to be a top-quality content provider, you don't need to know everything about the topic. You just need to look for individuals who can assist you in creating good quality content, thus leading to a higher EAT score. You can always utilize an expert's help for your content to increase your page's authority. For example, you can link the interviews of other content creators and quote them within your website or blog. This aspect will build the expertise, authority, and trust scores of your page. Great user experience. Building a good experience for the audience is very important. People will only go through your website if it is simple and easy to navigate through it. A website that has a complex structure will frustrate the visitors and they'll bounce off easily. When your website has a higher bounce rate, that means there are some issues that need to be fixed as soon as possible. Your visitors are not being able to find the content that they want to see and are closing your website. A higher bounce rate will lower your rank on the search engines, which can send a negative signal to Google algorithms. Therefore, it's important that you build a good website infrastructure that is easier for the audience to navigate through and understand. That's all for today's video. Comment down below the points you found interesting and useful. Check out the videos that are appearing on the screen right now. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.